Hello students, welcome back again in virtual classroom. Let's facilitate learning standard 11th subject English. Today in this virtual lecture, we are going to study lesson number 3.5 from the third section of writing skill, and the title of the lesson is film review. Now, a film review is an analysis and evaluation of a film from viewer points of view. In a film review, writer points out good and bad elements about the film, thereby giving an opportunity to a viewer to decide whether to watch a particular movie or not. A film review can also make the reader curious about the film. Nowadays, number of films are produced on various social issues. It becomes difficult for a viewer to watch every movie. A film review or criticism provides some information about the movie. The subject, storyline, theme, etc. are known to the reader, and thus he can decide about watching the film. The reader is provided knowledge, information about overall quality of the film in film review. So thus today we are going to study this important writing skill question, film review. Now as per board's instructions, we have this question for 4 marks, and the question is question number 4, sub question number D, where review is asked for 4 marks. Now the question is divided into 3 sub points. First one is presentation of theme or storyline for 2 marks, technical or novel aspects for 1 mark, and overall presentation for 1 mark. So we have 4 marks for film review. Now in this virtual lecture today, you will come to know about film, then professions related to film, professional skills required for it, then film review and its important points, then points to remember in film review, then steps or format to write a film review, and one solved example of the movie The Jungle Book. Now, there are ample opportunities in filmmaking and producing films. First of all, let's try to know information about professions related to films and the skills required for it. So, actor, director, producer, music director, script writer, all these are professions related to film. Let's study it step by step. First, profession of actor. It doesn't matter whether actor is male or female, and the important or essential professional skills required for this profession is acting, voice modulation, body language, facial expressions, etc. The next profession is of director. Director is a person who is in the role of a storyteller. He is also called as captain of the ship. He must be expert in all filmmaking professions. Third profession is producer. Producer is a person who is a financial support of the film, who understands the film. Next profession is music director. A music director must be expert in music. He should have the excellent knowledge of musical instruments. Next profession is of script writer. A script writer should have imagination, power, then the ability of storytelling, then using various language skills, and overall characterization is the important thing which he should do thoroughly. Next profession is of lyricist. Lyricist is a person who should have good vocabulary, who should have expertise in musical rhythm. Next profession is cameraman. A cameraman should have the knowledge of visualization, then camera techniques. Next profession which is related with films is cinematographer. Cinematographer is a person who should have art of capturing images, then creation of motion pictures, etc. Next profession is of set designer. Set is related with stage, so a set designer should have the ability of stagecraft or design. And the next profession is of costume designer. A costume designer designs costume for characters, and he also sets fashion trends. Now let's try to understand the important points in film review. Some important points in film review are storyline or description. Then next one is producer, who is a financial support. Then next one is director, who directs the team. Then music director, who sets music of film. Then characters or casting, whether they are major or minor. Then next one is setting or location, live setting, actual setting, and sets are settled somewhere for the picturization. Then next one is conflict characters. They should be internal or external. Then next one is message of the film. There should be a message giving some kind of moral at the end. And the next one is significance of the title. The title of the film must be catchy, giving a suitable message through it. Now, uh, let's try to study, let's try to remember which are the important points that students should thoroughly remember while attempting the question of film review. Which are the points to remember in film review? Now, in film review, we have 8 points which are really very much essential. The first one is the genre. Actually, genre is the term for any category of literature or other forms of art or entertainment. For example, music, films, paintings, etc. It basically means the type of film. The genre can be action, adventure, comedy, fantasy, historical, musical, then horror, crime, or romance, etc. Next one is plot analysis. So, in plot analysis, what are the things which we must remember? Give a brief summary of plot or story. While doing this, Identify the main characters, describe the setting briefly, but do not give away too much, especially if it is a thriller or a murder mystery. Give an idea of the central conflict in the movie. While you can give the plot summary, keep this brief and avoid specific details that would spoil the viewing for others. Next important point is characterization. Characterization means how the characters are described or portrayed. It is a representation of persons, other beings in the movie. This may be done through a commentary or more often from the characters' actions, dialogues, the way they speak, appearance, behavior, etc. The reviewer has to understand the subtle distinctions in the characters. Next important point is cinematography. This is the art of photography and camera work. In filmmaking, here you write about the lighting, the special effect, the action scenes, the close up shots, spatial location, and CGI, that is computer generated image, then photorealism, etc., and how they are relevant to the particular scenes. Next important aspect is music and sound. Discuss the music and sound effects of the movie in brief. Sound can be used in a variety of ways for dramatic effect. A director can employ music, sound effects, or even the lack of sound altogether to produce an effect on the viewer. If the movie is a musical or a horror movie, more importance should be given to the music. Was the music up to expectations? Was it repetitive? Were the sound effects impressive? Next important aspect or point to remember is direction. The direction means directing each member of the cast and crew while shooting a short or film. It is the crucial part of a film. It is ultimately the director's responsibility to communicate what he or she wants, and it is the director's job to make sure that everything falls into place and to know when to make any necessary changes. Next one is acting. The actors are obviously a very important part of the film. It is the job of the actor to make sure that his or her performance is consistent with whatever the goal of the film is. Acting is probably the easiest thing to judge when watching a film critically. What is the character's goal? What is his or her character development? Have the goals been achieved successfully? Why or why not? Next important aspect is script writer. The script is the words or dialogues of the film. Evaluate the script, including dialogue and characterization. Did you feel like the plot was original and unpredictable or boring and weak? Were the dialogues powerful and interesting? Was there clarity? Did the characters' words seem credible to you? So, all these things are very much essential and important while writing answer related to film review. Now, we are going to study the steps or format to write a film review. Step 1. Before watching the movie, make a study of the relevance of the title, the year of release, the names of script, the names of script writer, producer, director, and characters. Then the genre means type of film. Step 2. While watching the movie, watch the movie attentively as many times as required. Take notes about major and minor events or scenes, acting, cinematography, locations, plot, characters, moral, music direction, set designs, background music, sound and recording, and quality, message, etc. Step 3. After watching the movie, choose an appropriate format for review writing. Organize the sequence of events commented on according to their importance. Make use of proper language and vocabulary. Do the actual writing of the report or typing or editing or proofreading or re-editing. And then comes final presentation. Now students, we are going to study one example of film review given in our 11th standards textbook page number 118. Now on your screen you have the film review of The Jungle Book. Rudyard Kipling's, let's talk about story first. Rudyard Kipling's classic tale of a young boy brought up in the jungle by various animals is brought to life once again on the big screen in a fittingly wonderful way. Mowgli leads a peaceful and happy life with a wolf pack led by Akela, that is Espacito, and Raksha Niango, until the tiger Sher Khan Elbow enters the scene, bearing an old grudge and an insatiable desire for revenge. So, this is all about the story. Now comes review of film. If you go to the cinema to watch a movie that will draw you into a fantasy world of wonder, Farvo's retelling of this story, which so many of us remember from childhood, manages to weave that magic. We all know how the story plays out. With the Panthers, Bagheeras, that Kingsley help Mowgli, Sethi tries to stay away from Sher Khan. He also encounters the devious python Ka, that is Johansson, a super-sized orangutan with a soul singer's baritone named King Louis, that is Vulcan, desperate to obtain the red flower, which is fire in reality. And of course, Baloo, the greasy bear, means Murray. These are the key characters, but you will also be delighted to discover a few new entrants along the way as well. It all builds on the charm of the 1967 film, which by itself is a must watch for any child. Now comes movie. While Sedi is of course the only real person in here, all the animals have a fantastic degree of photorealism, and Seti's interaction with the animals throughout the duration of the movie, given that they are CGI, is completely convincing. He combines innocence and warmth with the survival skills and resourcefulness of someone far older. While Farvos is faithful to the old elephants, that is, old songs like Bare Necessities included, of course. He also brings in a few new subtle touches as well in order to keep things interesting. While the King Louis scene is one of the many high points, Car's screen time could have been lengthened a bit, though. Nonetheless, the performance of the voice cast is spot on. But more than anything, the intricate landscaping, masterful camera work, and environment actually filmed in downtown Los Angeles create a delightfully immersive experience, heartwarming and enjoyable. So, students, today we try to learn information about film review. I hope the virtual lectures are proving beneficial for you. So, keep studying, keep looking all the virtual lectures. Good luck and happy learning. Thank you.